Hi everybody, welcome to another video, low impact series. Let's get ourselves warmed up. Guys, this is going to be one of our last of the low impact playlists you're hopefully using. We want you to progress to our medium interval training, have some variety to your workouts. So this will be one of the last ones. We've got one more after this. This is a 10-minute low impact workout. And just for a bit of fun, we put a bit of a kickboxing twist on this workout for you. Still going to be light, still going to be easy, but a little bit of fun. Maybe incent you to go over and try our box fit playlist next. Okay, abs and boxing and kickboxing techniques. So this one's got a little bit of element of that. And then we got one more video after this, which is going to encourage the direction of the weight training, which we definitely think is a great idea for those who are a little bit older, or perhaps those who want to increase their strength and conditioning side of their fitness. So guys, you can check out our training buddies or dumbbells and dedication, or of course the medium intensity interval training, 45 seconds, 15 seconds rest. And our first exercise is 2 jabs and 2 uppercuts. Jab, cross, and uppercut, or 2 jabs if you want to call it that. We're throwing these from a square stance position, so we're not in a boxing guard position. We are simply punch, punch, uppercut, uppercut. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight punch, uppercut, uppercut. There you go, guys. Keep that nice rhythm. Little bob in the hips. Feet square, nice soft knees. Keep your core tight. We want to encourage you to engage your core even though you're moving in this one. Keep those abs tight and use them during the exercise. 15 seconds rest, guys, and we're going to go to our next exercise. It's going to be 2 knees and 2 front kicks. 2 knees and 2 front kicks. Again, from a square stance. Knee, knee, front kick, and front kick. Let's get it going. Okay, 45 seconds. Square stance. Raise. Right knee, right kick, left kick. There you go, guys. Or of course you can go the other way if you wish to. Standing stance, that means square feet, and we're doing 2 knees, 2 front kicks. Knee and knee, front kick and front kick. Back straight, head up, holding your arms in a boxing guard position just to keep those hands safely out of the way while you're doing these leg techniques. See how I said at the beginning about adding the boxing and the kickboxing? Knee, knee, front kick, and front kick. Doing great, guys. And there you go, end of round. 2 rounds, first round and last round today, 45 seconds, 15 seconds rest. And we're going to go for some no rope skipping now. No rope skipping, or invisible rope, or skipping, some people like to call it. Okay, how can you call it skipping without a rope? So this is what I call no rope skipping. Bouncing on the feet, soft knees, core tight. Make sure to spin those hands, guys, or it's just jogging on the spot. And we want to make sure that both feet are clearing the ground on every hop. Imagine a rope is actually going underneath. If you can't skip, just walk on the spot, guys, okay? But we're going to try to encourage a bit more aerobic movement and actually acting like we're actually skipping. See, I'm actually rotating my hands there to mimic the skip and keep that nice little bit of rhythm there. Back straight, head up, keep it going. Bouncing on the toes, nice and light, rotating. You can do some high knees, you can change your feet over, have a little bit of fun with it, and that's how you keep that one working. 3, 2, 1, great job. Good stuff, guys. Okay, if you've got yourself a mat, or you've got a nice soft floor to work on, we're going to go down to the ground, and we're going to do some swimmer skydivers, I call these. So going for a fully pointed position, stretch your arms right out, and we're drawing the elbows back and at the same time performing a skydiver. So lifting your knees off the floor and lifting the upper body off the ground. It's a great crunch exercise for your lower back, and by using the arms in this swimming action, you're going to actually encourage the lower back to activate. I'm also demonstrating here how to do it without the arm movement, or if you want to do a basic torso raise, that's okay too. Any one of these is good, but if you're looking to get a little bit more advanced, then we go for the full swimmer, all the way out from a missile position into that skydiver position. I find this encourages the lats to engage as well. Great job. Okay, catch your breath, guys. Give yourself that second. And we're going to be doing some, I believe, mountain climber pulls coming up. Okay, did this about a week ago. So here we go, mountain climber pulls. I am correct. There we go. So alternating knee to chest, hands either side. Hands are underneath the shoulders. Sorry, back straight, head up, core tight, and we're alternating the knee to the chest slowly. So this is like mountain climbers, just done very slowly. Encourages the core to activate, basically using a plank position while doing a dynamic movement. Okay, the plank being the isometric contraction or the held static position, getting technical now, and then a dynamic movement with the alternating knee to chest. Try and bring your knee all the way up to your chest, back straight, head up, core tight. Keep that moving to the end of the round. Well done, guys. Okay, and we are heading back to the start now at our 2 jabs and 2 uppercuts. What I like with having 2 rounds in a video is you get the first round and the last round, as I've said before. Square feet, jab, jab, and uppercut, uppercut. If you want to call it jab, cross, that's fine too. Jab, cross, uppercut, uppercut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get a little bit more rhythm going this time, guys. You can do this nice and easy. Don't lock out the elbow on the jab cross. Just extend out, keep the elbow soft. Little bob in the hip, make sure you're not tensing, and don't forget to breathe. My action saying there is to make sure to breathe out on each punch. Make sure you're getting that oxygen in. One benefit of doing this audio afterwards is you can't hear me puffing during the exercises. It is important, guys, to breathe during everything you're doing. Okay, let's get that oxygen in. It's free, so make sure you breathe. Alright. See, even I get it wrong sometimes. That's what I was gesturing there. So I got the combination wrong on a couple of those. So don't worry about it, okay? Jab, cross, uppercut, uppercut. Coming up for our next one. Knee, knee, front kick, and front kick. Nice and easy with that front kick. Doesn't have to be too high. But if your knee can come up that high, then you should be able to flick a front kick out. We're looking to bring that knee up to about the diaphragm height. And the kick is the same. Very effective place to kick the diaphragm should you be in a self-defense situation. Hands up in a boxing guard, feet square, knee, knee, front kick, and front kick. Keep it moving, keep that aerobic element. Just let the leg flick out with the ball of the foot coming out as the strike point. And again, I'm gesturing there to make sure you breathe. Don't tense up during this movement. Keep those hands up, elbows in. Square feet. Keep that balance. Great job. Alright, if you're doing good, catch your breath, have some water. See, I'm loosening up my arm and chest there. I was feeling a little bit tight. Always take a second to have a stretch. Don't ignore tightness or pain. Don't ignore it. Here we go with our no rope skipping. Light on the toes. Imagining we're spinning that rope around and we're jumping over it. Make sure you clear the floor by about an inch. Give yourself a little bit of room for that rope to go under your feet. Remember, we are trying to mimic real skipping here, guys. So we're mimicking real skipping. So we've got to leave both feet from the ground to get that rope to go over the top. Only like an inch jump, and keep it light, keep it moving. You can keep changing. See, I keep changing my feet, so I'm not just burning out the calf muscles. I'm moving that around, changing my rhythm. Star jump feet. If you want to do those side to side jumps, you can really mix it up. Okay, you can do river dance type movements, whatever you want to do, guys. If you've ever skipped before, you ever seen a professional skip, they're doing all sorts of steps, and it makes it a lot more entertaining and just bouncing up and down. Alrighty, we've got our swimmer skydiver. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yeah, I've recently fallen in love with this exercise. One of my favorite back body weight exercises. Of course, you can do this one with some very light dumbbells in your hands. You want to make it more challenging. A lot of the time, your lats don't get a lot of activation with body weight exercises. Pretty much the only one you can do is push-ups, and of course that's going to be more for your chest and tricep. So this exercise is a great way to just get those lats to get involved. If you're looking for that V shape, you want to look more tapered in your upper body, then you want to definitely be working your lats, and this is one way to activate them in a body weight exercise. So extend those arms straight out, a little softening in the elbow, then pull those elbows right down towards your body. And rest. Well done, guys. Okay, don't forget to lift your knees in that one as well. Come up easy. You don't want to race up, guys. Okay, we don't want to give anybody a don't want a shortness of breath or anything, or any lightheadedness. So don't forget to breathe. And when you get up and down, take your time. Alternating mountain climber pulls. I call these mountain climber pulls. Body weight, body straight. God, what's the matter with me today? Body straight, alternating knee to chest, hands underneath your shoulder. You can see the arms are working there. You can see the muscles at the arm are contracted, holding me up. Keeping the core tight, tummy in, alternating knee to chest, all the way in, all the way out. We got 10 seconds left, guys. You can do it. All the way, keep it moving, keep your head up, tummy in. If you can't do the knees, just hold the position. 3, 2. Well done, guys. Well done. Okay, take your time getting up. That is it. Give yourself some movement. Loosen up any muscles that are tight. Give your body that respect post-workout it deserves. Loosen your neck up. My calves were feeling quite tight after the skipping and the front kicks, so stretching those calves out. Both toes in line, stick your glutes out back straight, stretch that calf out right through down that calf and Achilles, and a little bit of those glutes and hamstrings. Maybe a double adductor stretch, take the feet nice and wide, plie squat, stretching that inner thigh. Just give yourself that bit of time to loosen up post-workout. And of course, guys, if you are feeling tight still, go and check out our stretching playlist available to you on full subscription. Let's put the hands on either side of the head like this. Caught you. Anyway, I think I'm funny. Anyway, guys, well done, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button and hit the bell icon to be notified of when our next videos are uploaded. Fantastic job, guys. Check out these other titles. And as always, have a great day.